I'm Taff. I'm doing a quick tutorial video for adding an Ark server to favorites or connecting to it manually. So you go into View and Servers. You can add a server like, say, this one, which is mine. You input the address, which can be seen here, into this box. You can add the server to favorites or find games at this address. Once you've done that, it'll show up in this box, and you can either connect or close out of it and launch the game and connect through your favorites that way. So I hope this helped. Have a great day!